Welcome to the serene world of the Japanese tea ceremony, a timeless ritual that embodies harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. Join us as we explore the profound beauty of this ancient art form. Our journey begins with the traditional matcha preparation. Witness the meticulous steps, from sifting the vibrant green tea powder to whisking it into a frothy emerald elixir. Every movement is deliberate, a dance of precision and grace. Observe the exquisite tea house architecture, designed to create an atmosphere of peace and contemplation. Its minimalist aesthetic and natural materials invite a sense of calm, a sanctuary from the outside world. The elegance of the kimono dress worn by the tea master adds to the ceremony's visual poetry. Each fold and pattern tells a story, reflecting centuries of tradition and artistry. Admire the handcrafted ceramic tea bowls, unique pieces of art that are cherished for their form and texture. The bamboo whisk or chasen is another essential tool skillfully used to blend the matcha to perfection. Step into serene Zen gardens, where carefully placed rocks and raked sand create landscapes of profound beauty. These gardens are designed for meditation, offering a peaceful backdrop to the tea ceremony. Watch as steam gently rises from the hot water, a subtle reminder of the warmth and life within the tea. These peaceful moments of meditation are central to the experience, allowing for introspection and mindfulness. The Japanese tea ceremony is more than just drinking tea. It's an immersive experience that nourishes the soul and connects us to a rich cultural heritage.